Hello everyone, my name is Lucy and I'm from University of Limerick. Celebration of mental health. I want you to know that it is vital to our overall health. It is good for our well-being. Kindly know if you're struggling with mental health, you're not on your own. You have a full community behind you, supporting you. Please be honest with yourself and seek help if you need it. It doesn't matter if it has to be professional need with a specialist or if you need to talk to someone. Reach out whenever you feel you want to talk to someone for guidance. Seeking support is a sign of strength. To anyone in support of the cause of mental health, please be a good support system to anyone who needs help. Don't be judgmental. Use reliable information to understand people's situations before you make assumptions. Don't judge someone for taking medication or assume that medication is an easy or quick fix. Please support mental health awareness. Do away with mental health stigma in society. To everyone going through mental health, persevere, be strong, and know you have a whole community supporting you out here.
We are in this fight together. Happy Mental Health Day.